Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from one inspirational story to the next, today has been a wonderful day. We've got many more inspirational stories coming up in the short time that's left, and this time we shall put the spotlight on the train initiative, the Train Punk and the Train Her Ascent initiatives, where we have some of the beneficiaries of these programs and initiatives who will come up on stage and share their inspirational stories. This inspiring panel brings together extraordinary individuals, persons with disabilities, and young women from marginalized backgrounds from Train Punk program and the Train Her Ascent, who have overcome immense challenges to build successful careers and uplift their families. Each story is a testament to the resilience, strength, and limitless potential that lies within those who refuse to be defined by their circumstances. Ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate these incredible stories, and I'd like to invite on stage 5 such individuals. From the Train Punk program, we have with us, and I'd like to invite on stage Sonal Sawant. Sonal Sawant from the Train Punk Initiative. Akash Munde, also from the Train Punk Initiative. Devanand Rathod, Shivaji Shelke, and Ambika Sonekar. And Ambika is from the Train Her Ascent Initiative. And ladies and gentlemen, in conversation with them is Amisha Prabhu, Chief Executive Officer, co-founder and Chief Executive Officer at Train. Amisha, over to you.
Hi, everybody. They are going to be a little nervous, so I would just ask all of you to be a little patient when they talk or sign. And each one of them is not anymore our student. They are all working in various retail as well as allied sectors. I'd like each one of them to talk a little bit about themselves, their backgrounds. And the most, I think the humility with which I stand here today is only because when we see them in the classroom, and we are seeing them since morning, 9:30, that they are here patiently listening to all of us as we talk about them. I don't know what is going through their heads, but let me tell you, it's a very, very nervous moment for me to ask them these questions, because what I do normally in a classroom, I'm going to be doing it in front of all of you. So let's see. I hope, and I'm going to switch on to Hindi. They might be a little more comfortable with that language. So first, अंबिका, आप आपके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे और आप कहाँ अभी काम करते हैं और आपने जब से काम शुरू किया है तो आपके लाइफ में क्या डिफरेंस हुआ है? ये लीजिए माइक।
हाय, गुड इवनिंग। मेरा नाम सोनेकर अंबिका और मैं क्रांतिकारी महिला सामाजिक संस्था हड़पसर पुणे से आई हूँ। अभी मैं डोमिनोज में काम करती हूँ और इसका श्रेय मैं ट्रेन ट्रस्ट को देती हूँ, क्योंकि उसी के वजह से ही मुझे ये काम मिला है। और मैं ट्रेन ट्रस्ट में ट्रेन हर असेट्स यह कोर्स किया था और इसी की वजह से काम मिला है। और इसका मतलब मुझे
फैमिली में क्या आपको चेंजेस लगा?
इसके वजह से मेरे फैमिली में फाइनेंशियली बहुत सपोर्ट मिला है। मेरे मैं थोड़ी सी नर्वस हूँ।
नहीं, मराठी में। मराठीमध्ये
ठीक आहे.
मी ट्रान्सलेट करणार, तुम्ही बोला.
हां ठीक आहे.
हां.
म्हणजे मी फर्स्ट टाईम इथं स्टेजवर आले त्याच्यामुळे खूप घाबरल्यासारखं होते मला. माझ्या म्हणजे मी जेव्हा मला माझं ग्रॅज्युएशन झालं आहे आणि मी गावाकडं म्हणजे गावाकडली एक साधी मुलगी आहे. मला तिथं घराच्या बाहेर पण जाता येत नव्हतं.
She comes from a very, very traditional village and a traditional household where she was not even allowed to get out of her house.
आणि इथं आल्यानंतर मी जॉबसाठी म्हणजे भरपूर ठिकाणी जॉब शोधले पण मला जॉब भेटत नव्हता. नंतर मग माझ्या फ्रेंडद्वारे मला ट्रेन ट्रस्ट विषयी म्हणजे समजलं. मग मी क्रांतिकारी महिला सामाजिक संस्था इथे हे कोर्स घेतले जात होते. मग मी तिथं ते जॉईन केलं आणि तो कोर्स पूर्ण केला आणि नंतर मला त्या कोर्समुळेच डॉमिनोज म्हणजे चांगला जॉब मिळाला आहे आता.
आणि कसं वाटतंय डॉमिनोजमध्ये जॉब करून?
छान वाटते मॅडम. हां.
आवडते?
हो.
So she's working for Domino's. She heard about our program. She wasn't getting an opportunity. That's the buzzword here. She was willing to work, but there was no opportunity or access. And that's what this program she heard about and she enrolled, and after that she got a job in Domino's. Thank you so much.
थँक्यू.
शिवाजी बोलणार? घाबरना नहीं ना? हाँ. So शिवाजी आप बताइए, इतने सालों से ये सब चैलेंजेस फेस करने के बाद जब भी आपको नौकरी मिली है तो कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा लगा थोड़ा. मैं पहले घर पे ही था.
हाँ.
मेरे को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा था किधर. मेरा दुकान था. दुकान
आपका डिसेबिलिटी भी बताइएगा.
पैरा और हाथ का प्रॉब्लम है. मेरा पान का दुकान था पालघर में, तो बंद हो गया था. भाड़ा हो के किराया ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया था दुकानदार ने, तो मेरा दुकान बंद हो गया था. बाद में घर पे ही बैठा था 1 साल तक. तो बाद में एक दोस्त ने नंबर दिया था मैडम का. तो तभी नाला छुपर में ट्रेनिंग में था. मैं 45 दिन तक था. बाद में ट्रेनिंग लिया. बाद में जॉब मिला इधर अपना मलाड में, अक्सा बीच द रिसोर्ट में.
The resort
The
at
resort.
Malad is where he works today.
घर वाले भी अभी खुश है. अभी 8-9 महीना हो गया है मेरे को इधर काम करते हुए.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
देवानंद? देवानंद? या. देवानंद, मुझे बताइए आपको कैसा लग रहा है अभी जॉब पे जाके, और आपको चैलेंजेस क्या है?
Yes, so it was very challenging for me to get a job because many people, they don't even understand that what is deafness or what are our requirements. So it was very challenging. But then when I come across the advertisement of Punk train program, I contacted my trainer and he explained me everything about the program. I felt it is very good for me, and so I joined the program. And now I'm working with Ishara Hotel. Yes, and there it is not only just work, because I also get benefits like they provide food and shelter also. So that is also very essential and important for us. And now I feel very proud that I am also working because yes, previously I felt very bullied. Sometime people used to make fun of me because I was using sign language. They were not aware about the sign language. I felt so many challenges before, but now, yes, now I'm very happy. I'm working. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Lovely, lovely. And Akash, what about you?
Yes, so my name is Akash. I'm a little nervous. I'll try to express myself. So currently, yes, as Devan has already said, it was very challenging to get a job because everywhere you go, they wanted somebody who can speak, who can understand them. But for me, it was therefore that's why it was very difficult for me. I had I kept patience a lot, but when I came across Train Punk program, I enrolled myself and. Like I learned so many things, the skills I learned, and then thank you so much for Train to providing me all the skills and make me confident that I can be part of the society, the mainstream society, and now I'm happy because I can support my family also. So again, thank you so much.
Where does he work?
So I worked in Big Basket.
Oh, lovely. And we also have Sonal with us. Yeah, Sonal. Tell us, where do you work and how are you feeling about it?
गुड इवनिंग ऑल मेरा नाम सोनल सावंत है मेरा नाम सोनल सावंत है मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ मुझे ओके थोड़ी नर्वस हो गई
बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ
स्टैंडिंग
ओके स्टैंडिंग
मुझे फ्रेंड ने तरेन फंक के
अच्छा ये बताओ आप कहाँ काम करते हो?
मैं अभी एनफील्ड के थ्रू जेपी मॉर्गन में काम करती हूँ
जेपी मॉर्गन में काम करते हो. So Sonal is from our batch where I think all of us spoke about job role mapping. We spoke about facilities and reasonable adjustments that we make in terms of infrastructure, creating inclusive spaces. And Ashna, you heard in the morning, this was a joint effort that we said, and we were actually piloting it. We did it with Hyderabad, Bangalore, and now NKP Goregaon, which is where Sonal is working at JP Morgan. And again, bringing back Usha's point on skill and knowledge, Sonal has been trained on retail, selling skills, and everything to do with what is laid out by the NSDC as well as Rashi guidelines. But that didn't stop in terms of the role mapping that we had with a different industry like JP Morgan or Ishara, which is a restaurant completely managed by people with SHI, speech and hearing impairment. So whoever is confident, Tanvi, can answer this question. What is that one message that they'd like to give all the other persons with disability, or for that matter, their peers or colleagues?
So whenever you get any opportunity, any chance, like I had my chance with Punk Train, likewise, whenever you get an opportunity, take that chance and don't give up. You have to work and have to prove yourself.
Just last question. अंबिका आप बोलोगे आपका फ्युचर प्लॅन्स या फ्युचर ड्रीम्स सपना काय करायचं आहे आता पुढे काय करायचं आहे
म्हणजे
हां मराठी
हां म्हणजे आता तरी मी सध्या माझ्या मिस्टरांना हेल्प करते पण पुढे चालून आमचा स्वतःचा बिझनेस करायची आमची म्हणजे स्वप्न आहे
वाव शी वॉन्ट्स टू डू हर ओन बिझनेस गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आगे क्या करना है
सोचा नहीं है
अभी के लिए तो नौकरी में हैप्पी हो
नौकरी है
हाँ ओके व्हाट अबाउट देवानंद
Yes, so now I do have a job, and of course I want to go on a higher positions in my jobs, and definitely I want to give back to my community also. Like I really want them, they also get a chance. They should also, feel and. Feel that they can also improve themselves or get a job, and be independent. So that's what I want.
I also would like to call somebody who has been with train when we started the Mumbai Center, Pradeep. Come on, okay? True success, a complete life story in front of you. Pradeep was our deaf trainer in the first batch that we started in Santa Cruz. Today he's rejoined us, but Pradeep, would you like to talk about your life journey?
Yes, so I am from Bid, Latur. And when I came to Mumbai, I suffered a lot, I must say that. It was very difficult. Even though I was graduate, I couldn't get a job. So I came to Mumbai and I came across that there is a vacancy in Punk train. And yes, I know that I can train others also. I have that capability. So I joined here. And I could see that train is doing such a wonderful job to give persons with disability opportunity to work. So in 2013, I joined train. And till now, like you can see the data also, the numbers, like how many people have got job and have settled life. And this is what like I also always encourage people from maybe from villages, rural areas, that they should also have a chance to be independent, to earn for themselves, and as well as they can support their families also. So yes, even like Amisha or Nagesh sir has helped me, supported me a lot. So first time in my life in 2015, I attended a workshop in Turkey. And for that also, they supported me a lot. So I really appreciate, and it has, have brought so much confidence in me. So how now they are sitting here nervous, I was like that. But now you can see that I can come in front of you all and I can, express myself so well. It is because of them. So thank you again, Amisha ma'am and Nagesh sir, for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah, we're very... Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. So, yeah, of course, he married the interpreter and they have a very beautiful daughter now. So, yes, that's Pradeep's journey with us. Yeah. So, any questions? We have 2-3 minutes, not more. Any questions that you'd like to ask them or any one of them? Or otherwise, I'll just close this session. Yeah. किसी को कुछ बोलना है? शिवाजी, अंबिका, कुछ बोलना है? सोनल? हाँ.
हेलो.
बोलिए.
हाँ, मैं सबको एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ. अगर आपके आसपास में या नेबरहुड में जो भी डिसेबिलिटी पर्सन हो तो उनको आप डीमोटिवेट ना करें, उनको मोटिवेट ही करें सब. क्योंकि जो भी हम लोग जब भी इंटरव्यू में जाते थे पहले, तो हमको इंटरव्यू देते वक्त इंटरव्यूअर को लगता था कि हम लोग काम नहीं कर सकते. इस वजह से हम लोग बहुत जगह से रिजेक्शन ले चुके हैं. फिर एनफील्ड के थ्रू हम जेपी मॉर्गन में लगे, तब चीज़ भावना में बहुत सपोर्ट. और तरेन और पंखों में थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ, जिनके वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ. और एकम को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ, जिनके वजह से मैं आज थोड़ा ना सही वर्ड पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर चुकी हूँ.
Thank you.
प्लीज़ सब लोग डिसेबिलिटी पर्सन को सपोर्ट करें, उनको डिमोटिवेट ना करें।
What a
क्योंकि
good message.
डिसेबिलिटी पर्सन ने सोचा ना तो नॉर्मल पर्सन को भी वो पीछे छोड़ के आगे जा सकते हैं।
Wow.
थैंक यू।
Thanks. And I know there are so many more such, I would say, employees that are there with all of you. So thank you so much for patiently hearing them out. This was a very big moment for them also to share their stories. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give all of them a standing ovation. They deserve it.